Is to make our candle holders. For this we require some waste keyboard keys, some waste floppies and Fevicol. At first, we will break the floppy into two parts. The one is hollow at the center and the one is without a circle at the center. We require 5 of this part to make the candle holder and 1 of this to make the base. We will keep this as the base and paste the other 5 floppies one above each other. At last, it would look something like this. Now to beautify it, we would paste keyboard keys.
At last, we have painted it like this.
We have first given it a black coating and then we have painted it with metallic, golden and red color. Next thing we need to make is the hangings of our chandelier. For this, we have taken a part of the floppy. The next thing we need to do is to cut off the head of the spools. Now we will paste them using Fevicol, just in the shape of a flower. Now we will paste them with red color.
Now at last, it would look something like this. We have decorated it with some plastic flowers and keyboard key. And embroidery ring and pasted 4 different color wires on it.
You can take any combination. Now we will work with them just as we do with the scuba strings. Keep the 2 wires at the center. Take the right one and make a D. Now the left one overlaps it and just pass it through. It will make something like a knot. Stretch it up. So after repeating this procedure, we have got this beautiful basket made. You can see the other ring we have pasted at the bottom. Also for the base, we have pasted the series, but remember, we have kept the hole at the center. We will require this hole in the other tips.
Now we have gathered all the things. So it's time to pass this wire through this loop.
We have painted this wire with metallic red color. Now we will make a knot with these wires.
Now we are done with our basket part. Now it's time to give our chandelier some hangings. The last thing to do is to join the candle holder. For this, we have molded this metallic wire into this shape.
For better bond, we have wrapped it with a tape. We also will wrap this with the telephone wire which we have painted in red color. We will paste this on the candle holder. You can use Fevicol, tape or even MC.
So finally, we are done with this amazing chandelier,
which is made up of all the e-waste easily available at your house. So what are you waiting